How to add music to Spotify. Adding music to Spotify is fairly simple. Now, if you have some songs on your device that you would like to add to Spotify, you can simply open the Spotify app. By default, when you come to your library, Spotify will only show you the songs that you have within the Spotify app or downloaded within the Spotify app. But to find the ones or add the ones that are on your phone, tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then you want to simply navigate towards settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, what you want to do is simply go to this option that says local files and tap on it, and there you'll find this option called show audio files from this device. When you turn this on, any audio file that you have on your device will also show within the Spotify app. So you can go to your library option. Now you'll find this new option called local files, which will show you a list of files that you have. So this way you'll be able to add music to Spotify. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.